don't forget to save your project in case it crashes. To do so, go to File and then press Save. Or you could press Ctrl or Command S. Premiere Pro also got a built-in save feature, in which it automatically saves your project every 15 minutes. Change the settings, go to Edit, Preferences, and then Autosave. And here you see the current settings of your autosave. In my case, he is taking every 15 minutes automatically a backup of my project, with a maximum of 20 backups. You can always change that to your preferred number, or maybe you want just every 5 minutes instead of 50 minutes.